Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix Steam voice chat not working. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply first try uninstalling and reinstalling Steam. Once you've already done that, just go to device manager right over here on your PC, and once you've done that, simply go to your audio input. So go ahead and look for your microphone, which could be right over here, and as you can see on the USB, just click on update driver. You can simply search automatically for drivers. As you can see, it's already the best versions are installed right here. Now go to sound setting as well, and then go to more sound settings right over here, and make sure that on recording your mic is enabled and it's not disabled right here. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and check on your Steam. Go to your Steam settings right over here and go to voice. So let me just go ahead and look for that, and make sure that it is on open mic, and then your default is also selected, or you could just select the specific device. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.